Imagine stepping into a building where the journey through art isn't just room to room, but a continuous, flowing experience. A place that challenges every notion of what a museum should look like, acting as a sculpture in its own right. The Frank Lloyd Wright Guggenheim design, officially known as the Solomon R. Guggenheim Museum in New York City, is an iconic architectural marvel famous for its distinctive spiraling ramp and cylindrical, inverted ziggurat shape, fundamentally reimagining how art is presented and experienced. Wright envisioned a temple of the spirit, deliberately departing from traditional rectangular galleries. His innovative concept centered on a continuous, gently sloped helix, or spiral ramp, that unwinds from the top of the building down to the ground floor. This design eliminates the need for separate floors and staircases, allowing visitors to view art in a seamless procession, always bathed in natural light filtering through the large glass dome at the apex. This radical approach wasn't just about aesthetics. It was about creating an uninterrupted flow, allowing the art and architecture to interact dynamically, fostering a deeper, more fluid engagement for every visitor. To fully appreciate this unique design, most visitors begin their journey by taking the elevator to the museum's uppermost level. From there, they gently descend the continuous spiral ramp, allowing the art to unfold before them at a leisurely pace. This downward spiral enhances the viewing experience by providing changing perspectives and a continuous narrative. Engaging with the building's flow means embracing its unconventional pathways and allowing yourself to be guided by Wright's deliberate rhythm, often stopping to look across the central rotunda. The museum's construction, completed in 1959, utilized revolutionary reinforced concrete, allowing Wright to achieve its distinctive curves and expansive, column-free interior spaces. He famously referred to the building as a great cup run over, capturing its unique top-heavy appearance. Its radical departure from modernist glass and steel structures of its time sparked considerable debate, cementing its place as a groundbreaking and often controversial work that pushed the boundaries of architectural possibility, proving that a building could be both a container and a part of the collection. Ultimately, the Frank Lloyd Wright Guggenheim design offers more than just a place to see masterpieces. It provides a holistic experience where the building itself becomes a significant piece of art, orchestrating a captivating dialogue between its innovative structure and the art it houses. This design inspires visitors to reconsider their perceptions of space, movement, and the powerful relationship between art and its environment.